In a bustling meadow, a small ant named Antony scurried along his daily chores, collecting crumbs and tending to his fellow ants. The colony thrived, and Antony, with his diligent nature, was often praised by Queen Anthea. One day, a self-proclaimed ant named Archie arrived, boasting of grand plans to make the colony bigger and better. Archie's ideas were grand, but they required the entire colony to work longer hours, with little rest. The ants, initially inspired by Archie's vision, grew weary under the strain of his demanding labor. Antony, however, noticed that the quality of their work suffered, and the colony's stability began to wane. One night, as Antony tended to his queen, he whispered his concerns. Anthea, wise and understanding, suggested a meeting with the ants to discuss balance and harmony. At the gathering, Antony spoke of the importance of hard work, but also of rest and quality. Archie countered with his vision, insisting that more work would lead to a brighter future for their colony. Queen Anthea, with her calming voice, mediated the debate. She reminded the ants of their past success, and how they had thrived under a balance of hard work and rest. Archie, though stubborn, saw the colony's agreement with Antony's words. He realized that his vision, while ambitious, needed to be tempered with wisdom and moderation. From that day on, the ant colony worked hard, but also took time to rest and nurture their relationships. Antony and Archie, once rivals, became the best of friends, their colony growing stronger and more prosperous than ever before. In the end, Antony and Archie taught the ants of the colony a valuable lesson: balance and harmony are the keys to a thriving community. And so, the ant colony continued to grow, their empire a testament to the power of unity, hard work, and the wisdom of finding balance in all things.